Okay, we're back. It's been about a month, which we've spent trying to get the tracks so that the train and the trolley run smoothly. The original tracks were so corroded that we just couldn't get the trolley and the train to run smoothly, so we completely replaced them. We had a bunch of track in a bin, so it didn't get corroded, so we used that. This is for the main line, this kind of track. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's got plastic ballast underneath the rails. And we used regular track like we had before, but once again, that had been kept in a bin so it didn't corrode. And we reused the clips. We had to squeeze them with needle nose pliers to make them tight. And to keep everything in place, we use construction adhesive underneath, which we'll have to paint black, as you can see there. And the trolley runs smoothly. The train runs smoothly. What I originally said I wanted to do was to take this loop of trolley track and install some switch tracks so I could have an extended loop go up here. But we didn't have any switch tracks that were usable. They were corroded too. So what I decided to do is just do an open loop. It starts here, a point-to-point trolley line, in other words. It goes along the road here, a loop down around that end of town, up around that side of town, and up around this end of town to where there's going to be a railroad station. And there'll be maybe 3 or 4 trolley stops along the way. And by the way, if you're wondering what these cans and bottles, which are full of heavy things, bolts and screws and nails, they are to weight down the track to make it sink into the construction adhesive so that it will be nice and smooth, and there won't be any places where the rail, one rail sticks up above it higher than a joint and the other side of the joint is lower. We have these right over the joints. We already did this before, and now we're doing this section. We still have to do that section and put adhesive beneath that and put some weights on that. So that's what this is all about. The road took even more of a beating installing these tracks, so I got a lot more work. Having to do with fixing the roads, and I've been working on buildings. After we're done, we will have a tour of the town to show you how I made some of the buildings, and we'll see you next time.